Good morning everyone. My name is Ashwal. I am from class 7. I am from school KPS Udan. I am taking the class of brain engineering. This is my 5th class. Before there was 4 class. मैं अच्छे से किताब को याद करना और समझना सीख चुका हूँ. मैंने अभी अपनी 7वीं क्लास हिस्ट्री की बुक में पहला चैप्टर इसी मेथड से किया है. पहला चैप्टर ट्रेसिंग चेंजेस अराउंड 1000 ईयर्स की मैं आपको ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन देना चाहता हूँ. First topic of this chapter was geographical influence of the history. The geographical determines of a region directly or indirectly of a region that determines a region. It also description about the Indian subcontinent. The second topic was maps and medieval India. The study of map is known as cartography. The person who makes the map is known as cartographer. The Arab cartographer Al-Idrisi makes Indian subcontinent map in 1154 CE. The third topic of this chapter is new and old terminologies. In the 13th century, Mihni Raj understood the language of Hindustan and Punjab. In this similar way, the 17th century's Amir Khusrau also understand the term Hind. The fourth topic is archaeological sources such as monuments, pictures, paintings and coins. Coins shows the embankments, praises and other types of things of the kings. And painting shows the habits, cultural activities of that empire. And archaeological monuments such as Qutub Minar also made in medieval India. Then the next topic is biographies, literature and biographies, literature and biography literature. Biography tells about a particular person's story from the start and the last. And the fifth topic of this chapter is developments and new crops. The developments was the first Persian wheel was in the medieval India, and the new crops such as tea, spices, flour that was found in medieval India. And the Jatis is a caste, also known as subcaste, that were ranked on their occupations and backgrounds. Then the second one is Hinduism. In that medieval period, when the Hinduism is growing, the priest and the Brahmins got more popularity in the society, and the people also building the temples. Then the third caste was Islam. The Prophet Muhammad of that time also write on their Allah Quran. And the political development also there. The Rajput were very strong at that time, so that they were a ruler, such as soldiers, chieftains. They were only. Thank you.